Hey guys, this is an example of a sideswipe. A sideswipe is a tricking move that, as far as I know, originates from tricking itself, but many martial arts have a 540 kick motion, so Taekwondo or Capoeira probably have a name for this. A sideswipe is an off-axis, open-body backflip that is initiated and primarily fueled by the non-swinging leg, followed by a swipe or follow-through kick all the way to the ground with your swinging or dominant round kick leg, or a 540 mixed with a backflip. While performing this trick, it's best to look at the ground the entire time because if you can see the ground the whole time, then you know you are inverted or upside down. The goal is to get your hips parallel with your head or higher than your head while doing the trick. You will see many sideswipes that look similar to 540 kicks, and that's why I recommend treating this trick as a rise where you kick like a flash kick rather than a laid back 540. The best prerequisites, in my opinion, are rise, flash kick, and 540 because you set up like a rise and spin and initiate the kick sideways like a 540, but look backwards and kick towards the ground at the end like a flash kick. Because you land on your right leg if you are a lefty tricker, the sideswipe is used a lot as a connector or transition trick to other tricks like touchdown rise or rise, but it is also a paramount progression to tricks like snapu swipe and snapu variations.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Please like the video and share it with your friends if it was helpful or entertaining. Subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you want me to do next. If you need help with any kind of movement, please message me on Instagram at zach.enso, or come out to Enso Movement in Raleigh, North Carolina and train with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, be patient, and keep training.